Ever feel like you're drowning in a sea of to-do lists, scattered notes, and overflowing inboxes? Juggling multiple projects and keeping everyone on the same page can be a nightmare. That's where project management tools like ClickUp come in. ClickUp promises to be the one-stop shop for everything. Tasks, docs, chat, goals, and even whiteboards. It seems to be taking the project management world by storm, but have you ever stopped to wonder just how big is the market ClickUp is playing in? There are two main ways to look at this: the market size for project management tools in general, and the specific niche ClickUp is carving out for itself. So, buckle up and let's dive deep into the world of clicks, tasks, and teamwork. The project management powerhouse, a growing market. The need for organization and collaboration isn't exactly a new invention. Businesses of all sizes have always grappled with keeping projects on track. But the rise of remote work and the explosion of digital information have supercharged the demand for project management tools. According to a Grandview research report, the global project management software market was valued at a staggering $6.6 billion in 2020 and is expected to reach a whopping $13.47 billion by 2027. That's a growth rate of over 10% annually. This tells us one thing loud and clear. Businesses are hungry for solutions that can streamline workflows, boost productivity, and keep everyone accountable. Breaking down the market segments. But the project management software market isn't a monolithic entity. It's actually a collection of different segments catering to specific needs. Here are some of the key players. Enterprise project management. EPM. These are heavyweight tools designed for large organizations with complex projects. Think features like resource management, portfolio management, and robust integrations. Collaboration tools. This segment focuses on communication and information sharing. Think chat, document management, and real-time updates. Agile project management, APM. These tools cater to the fast-paced world of agile development methodologies. They offer features like sprint planning, backlog management, and Kanban boards. Where does ClickUp fit in? ClickUp positions itself as an all-in-one solution, aiming to bridge the gap between these segments. It offers features for task management, collaboration, goal setting, and even whiteboarding. This versatility makes it appealing to a wide range of users, from small startups to established businesses. But ClickUp isn't the only player in this space. There are some big names like Asana, Trello, Monday.com, and Microsoft Project vying for attention. So, how does ClickUp differentiate itself? The ClickUp advantage. More than just features. ClickUp goes beyond just offering a laundry list of features. They focus on user experience, offering a highly customizable platform that can be tailored to fit different workflows. Additionally, their freemium pricing model makes it accessible for smaller teams and individuals to get started. This combination of features, flexibility, and affordability has helped ClickUp carve out a loyal user base. They boast over 100,000 customers and have achieved a valuation of over $4 billion. Not too shabby for a project management tool. Market size? The answer is, unfortunately, there isn't a single, definitive answer to the question of ClickUp's specific market size. Market research firms typically focus on broader categories like EPM or collaboration tools. However, considering the overall growth of the project management software market, ClickUp's impressive user base and valuation, it's safe to say they're operating in a massive and rapidly expanding space. The future of project management. The future of project management is all about flexibility, automation, and real-time collaboration. Tools like ClickUp are well-positioned to capitalize on these trends. As artificial intelligence and machine learning become more integrated, we can expect even smarter project management solutions that can anticipate needs, automate tasks, and provide valuable insights. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.